Discover Portugal's culinary secrets. Market-to-table adventure. Portugal's culinary scene is a symphony of flavors, where each dish tells a story of tradition and innovation. From the sun-kissed coasts to the lush inland, Portuguese cuisine invites you to a journey that will tantalize your taste buds. Rooted in a rich culinary heritage, Portuguese food is a celebration of diverse influences and local traditions. Centuries of history have shaped a cuisine that harmonizes simple ingredients with bold flavors, creating a truly unique dining experience that reflects Portugal's vibrant culture. Wander through Portugal's bustling local markets, where stalls overflow with fresh produce, seafood, and spices. Here, the heart of Portuguese cuisine is laid bare, with vibrant colors and enticing aromas promising culinary adventures. These markets are the lifeblood of Portuguese gastronomy. Portugal's coastline offers a bounty of seafood that defines its culinary identity. From grilled sardines to octopus rice, the country's love affair with seafood is evident in every bite, showcasing the freshness and quality of the Atlantic's offerings in every dish. Bacalhau, or salted cod, holds a special place in Portuguese hearts and kitchens. Known as the faithful friend, this versatile ingredient can be prepared in countless ways, each recipe offering a unique twist on a classic that has captivated generations. Pastéis de Nata, the iconic Portuguese custard tart, boasts a rich history dating back to the 18th century. Originating in Lisbon's Jerónimos Monastery, these creamy delights are a testament to Portugal's baking prowess, enchanting dessert lovers worldwide with their delicate, flaky crusts. Portugal's hearty meat dishes reflect its rustic culinary heritage, with favorites like cozido à portuguesa, showcasing an array of meats and vegetables. These comforting meals highlight the importance of family gatherings, where shared traditions and flavors nurture both body and soul. Spices from the age of exploration have left an indelible mark on Portuguese cuisine, infusing dishes with warmth and complexity. Ingredients like piri piri peppers and cinnamon tell tales of Portugal's adventurous past, adding depth and character to traditional recipes. Olive oil is a cornerstone of Portuguese cooking, celebrated for its versatility and flavor. Used generously in everything from salads to seafood, it embodies the essence of the Mediterranean diet, enhancing dishes with its rich, fruity undertones and health benefits. Portugal's wine culture is a journey through diverse landscapes and flavors. From the renowned port wines of the Douro Valley to refreshing Vinho Verde, Portuguese wines offer an exquisite pairing for the country's robust cuisine, inviting connoisseurs to explore and savor. Portugal's cheese offerings are as diverse as its landscapes, with each region boasting unique varieties. From the creamy Serra da Estrela to the robust Queijo de Azeitão, these cheeses are a testament to Portugal's rich dairy tradition and craftsmanship. Portuguese soups are heartwarming and hearty, often featuring ingredients like potatoes, beans, and greens. Caldo verde, a beloved staple, showcases kale and chorizo, while a sorda offers a comforting blend of bread, garlic, and herbs, each spoonful a taste of tradition. Portugal's street food scene is vibrant and enticing, offering delights like bifanas and pregos. These quick bites capture the essence of Portuguese flavors, providing an authentic taste of local culture and culinary innovation amidst bustling markets and lively festivals. Desserts in Portugal are an irresistible indulgence, with treats like arroz doce and queijadas. Each sweet creation tells a story, from convent kitchens to family recipes, capturing the essence of Portuguese hospitality and offering a delightful end to any meal. Portuguese baking is an art form, with bread and pastries crafted to perfection. Broa de milho and pão alentejano reflect tradition, while pastéis de feijão and travesseiros showcase creativity, highlighting the skill and passion embedded in every Portuguese baker's hands. In Portugal, farm-to-table dining celebrates the abundance of fresh, local produce. Farmers' dedication ensures the finest ingredients reach the kitchen, allowing chefs to craft dishes bursting with authentic flavors, honoring the land's rich agricultural heritage and sustainable practices. Portugal's cuisine is a tapestry of regional variations, with each area offering distinct flavors. From the coastal seafood specialties to the hearty mountain dishes, the diverse landscapes and cultural influences create a culinary journey that is uniquely Portuguese. Contemporary Portuguese cuisine is experiencing a renaissance as chefs infuse traditional dishes with modern flair. Innovative techniques and global influences are transforming classics, offering a fresh perspective while respecting Portugal's rich culinary roots and time-honored traditions. Portugal's culinary scene is thriving thanks to its talented chefs who are gaining international acclaim. These culinary artists skillfully blend tradition and innovation, showcasing the country's diverse flavors and putting Portugal prominently on the global gastronomic map. Traditional cooking techniques remain integral to Portuguese cuisine, preserving authenticity. From slow-cooked stews to clay pot baking, these methods enhance flavor and texture, connecting generations through the shared experience of savoring meals prepared with time-honored skills and passion. To truly savor a Portuguese meal, start by embracing the leisurely pace of dining. Engage in conversation, appreciate each course, and savor the flavors. Remember to pour a glass of wine, as it perfectly complements the rich tapestry of flavors. Embark on your own Portuguese culinary adventure by visiting the country or trying authentic recipes at home. Whether you're sampling street food or creating traditional dishes, you'll discover a world of vibrant flavors that celebrate Portugal's rich gastronomic heritage.